Hello and welcome to Instant Node. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix the specified network name is no longer available issue. So let's get started. Go to the search bar and search for Turn Windows feature on or off and then click on OK. This pop-up window will appear over here. You need to scroll down till the end until you find the option of SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support. Here just make sure expand it and enable all the options that it have. You need to checklist it, all the options under it. After that you need to click on OK. So once you click on OK, a pop-up window will appear here which will start the Windows searching for the required files which is needed in the Windows. And wait, it will take few seconds to load. And here as you can see the Windows completed the required changes. You need to restart your laptop after this. Click on this restart now option. This is how you can do that. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.